Now you have the basics. The best thing you can do is possibly figure out more things. You can play around and see if things work. That's always a great way to learn new things. But there are some other tricks too. If you click on the project button and you click on examples, you can click on a variety of different things, like stopwatch. It will automatically pop up with the stopwatch code. Here it is in Blockly. You could learn a lot by studying this code and by playing with the blocks in it. You can also click on projects and then click on the word projects, and you can try these different, challenges we could say. When you click on this one, like the love meter, it is going to start you out with the start blocks and the forever blocks. And it's going to give you a tutorial on how to make it. Another thing that you could do is go to YouTube. I searched microbit how-to and was able to come up with a variety of different things, from a remote burglar alarm, a temperature gauge, a compass, a magic 8-ball, everything even to a fidget spinner speed test. The last thing you could do is go to the microbit website itself. If you click on ideas, it has everything from projects to lessons and blog news. Now, if you click on just projects, it'll give you challenges for you or your students to make something. So there's some very interesting ideas out here, like make a rock, paper, and scissors code. All you have to do is start exploring.